Welcome to another exciting tutorial on Tempcoder Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of system administration and web development. In this guide, we'll show you how to set up a Debian-based web server on VirtualBox. Before we dive into the installation process, ensure you have the following: VirtualBox installed on your computer, the Debian ISO file, which you can download from the official Debian website, a desire to learn and explore. Click on New to create a new virtual machine. Give your virtual machine a name, for example, Debian Web Server. Choose Linux as the type and Debian 64-bit as the version. Allocate an appropriate amount of RAM, at least 1 GB is recommended. Create a new virtual hard disk or use an existing one. The first step is complete. Now you have to go in under Settings to configure network and select the ISO file under Storage. Start your virtual machine, and it will start wipe bootable media selected ISO file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Debian. During the installation process, you'll be prompted to configure various settings, including the root password, user accounts, and software selection. Be sure to choose the web server option when selecting software packages. Once the installation is complete, your Debian virtual machine will reboot into the newly installed operating system. Open a terminal in your Debian virtual machine. If you are like me, you want to change the background colors to a dark theme. The first configuration we need to do is to add our user to sudo ser. Become super user with the command su. You can add a user to the sudoers file by editing it with the vsudo command. This command ensures that the file is edited safely. In the sudoers file, you can add a user by specifying the username followed by the permissions you want to grant. Typically, you would add username all equals all. Save the file and exit super user by typing exit. Then we can test the sudo command by entering who am I. Update the package list, sudo apt update. Install the Apache web server, sudo apt install Apache 2. If you selected the option web server, this is already installed. Install Python sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Create a new directory for your Django project and navigate to it. In order to create a virtual environment, you need to install Python 3.11 venv. Create a virtual environment, Python 3.m venv your virtual directory. Activate the virtual environment, source venv/bin/activate. Now it's time to install Django. Type pip install Django. Start a new Django project. Django admin start project your Django app name. To test the Django installation, type python 3 manage.py run server and click the HTTP link. Congratulations on successfully setting up your Debian web server on VirtualBox. You've taken the first step in our journey to creating a Sysadmin Monitoring Dashboard with Django. We hope you found this tutorial informative and that you're excited to continue building your skills in system administration and web development. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and insights right here on Tempcoder Tech.